Hello Springfield, Telle Tire and Auto Centers is now in Springfield, and I just wanted to show you inside one of our shops. We have two convenient locations for you now. And when everybody thinks about Telle Tire, they always think that's the place to go for tires. And we're also your #1 stop for all of your automotive repair needs. With L1 certified master technicians and ASE certified technicians on staff, and a 3-year, 30,000-mile warranty, we can take care of all of your automotive needs. We have a great team here to serve you. We're dedicated to providing the highest level of customer service. And as a family business celebrating 79 years, we look forward to meeting you and getting to know you and your vehicle. So thank you very much.